I'll
Sunny
going to
Angels
give this
Trading,
Sunny
Part
Angel
2.2.
9 out of 10. Why 9? I like the white one, but I don't understand the red in here. Pero gwapo siya. That is why 9 out of 10. Next tayo, the snack series. Ito naman is gikan siya sa akong friend from Cebu. I-trade na ko ni siya with my cat from version 3 series na animals. Sa iyahang, if I'm not mistaken, this is the fried chicken sandwich. So, let's see kung unsa ang naadiri ah. See. Ah. Ooh. Ah, this is a good deal. This is a good deal. Ooh. So, tonight, dalawa ang ating pool. These two, the penguin and the fried chicken sandwich. I believe this deal is good. This one from my gray cat. This one is from my Pomeranian. So, I think that's a win-win situation na deal. So again, this is from my friend Teresa. This is from my friend Adon. The reason why I love switching or trading kasi I found some fun sa pag-unbox. But ang most fun from of them kay makakita kag friends. Boom! Enjoy too. Collecting Sonic Angels. So, again, these are my pulls tonight. This is so good. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye!